Well, as we talked about, talking about fire this time of year certainly can bring up emotions for some. We're coming on 3 years since the Marshall Fire broke out in Boulder County. That day will hit tomorrow.
9 News reporter Janelle Finch spoke with Jefferson County fire officials about keeping people informed and safe. Janelle.
The Jefferson County Sheriff's Office says it'll take less to do a lot of damage with tomorrow's winds, but the fire management lead is putting resources in place to keep people safe. The weather outside is frightful, but not because of snow. The opposite, actually.
December's been an extremely dry month.
With the dry weather and high winds in the forecast, people along Colorado's Front Range to the foothills are preparing for potential wildfires.
And so the wind with those fuel conditions has the potential for large fire growth, especially in the lower elevations, similar to what we saw with the Marshall Fire up in Boulder County in 2021, that catastrophic fire event.
Brian Keating says this wind event shouldn't be as bad as the one from 3 years ago. But as the fire management officer for the Jefferson County Sheriff's Office, he has to stay ready for anything.
We are always heightened year-round, and we monitor the conditions. We work with our partners. We coordinate in responses just to make sure that we're prepared year-round for a wildland fire.
Keating says county fire departments will be at a higher staffing level to respond quicker if needed. He says anyone living in Jeffco can also have a hand in prevention. With the start of a new year around the corner, Keating is keeping an eye on any fire starts he can help stop.
And because December was so dry, if we continue that trend, then that could mean an earlier start to our summer fire season as well. So everything, there's a domino effect. So it's very important to monitor those conditions.
On top of the red flag warning tomorrow, Jefferson County says it'll also be under a temporary stage 1 fire ban through midnight to lower the chances of a fire. Janelle Finch, 9 News.
So familiar with this, Janelle, and 3 years ago, it feels like yesterday. And for anyone that was impacted, it must still. So scary.
Absolutely. Yeah.
All right. Thank you.